Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Windows Defender icon missing from taskbar. So before going to start the video, if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are unable to see Windows Defender icon from your taskbar, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you need to open the task manager. For that you just need to right click on start menu and click on task manager. After that, you can see here startup tab. Just click on this. In this you need to find Windows security. You can see here Windows security notification. If this status is disabled, you just need to right click on that and click on enable. After enabling, just close this window and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your Windows security icon will be visible here. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Windows Defender icon missing from your taskbar. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.